Review time! I'm going to be showing you guys a product that I recently purchased. Today we're going to be reviewing the Nanda Premium Whitening Strips. I recently purchased this on Amazon because it was affordable. It was $10 and I wanted some whitening strips, so I figured why not buy these whitening strips, try them on, test them out, and see what I think. One thing about Queenie is that I love DIY beauty, I love saving money, and I love low-cost beauty items. So today, after scrolling on Amazon and seeing that this was one of the most highly purchased items on Amazon for teeth whitening, I gotta try it out. What's the hype and why does it have so many outstanding reviews? With that being said, this is not sponsored in any way. This wasn't sent to me. This is a product that I purchased with money that I have from working. First, we're gonna go over the product claims. Second, then we're going to try out the product. And then third, I'm gonna give you my opinions, pros and cons on purchasing these whitening strips. Hi, I'm Queenie Urbane if you're new here, and I make content on femininity, deep dives on how femininity shows up in culture, as well as all things beauty, lifestyle, and anything girly because I love girly things. If you like this type of content, please be sure to thumbs up this video and subscribe for more.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
The Nanda Premium Whitening Strips. Safe and effective whitening. This product comes with 14 strips and 7 treatments, and it claims to gradually whiten teeth with each use. It's a no-mess dry strip technology, and this is created with natural coconut oil. There's 14 strips, 10 professional plus 4 express and 1 shade guide. What makes this product different, according to the brand, that it has special coconut oil formula made with natural coconut oil for a gentler whitening routine. Natural mint flavor makes the whitening experience refreshing and enjoyable. There's a no-mess dry strip technology. The strips have up to 2 hours of high-strength adhesion. The strips will remain securely in place even while drinking water or exercising. The strip removes easily after 60 minutes of use. So professional use once a day for 30 to 45 minutes. For express use once a day for 60 minutes, with higher hydrogen peroxide strength than our professional strips. Okay. And the directions say to peel the strip, tear open foil packet, remove strips with dry hands, and peel away from backing film. Then apply and wait. Look in a mirror, stretch the whitening strip, and then apply them with the sticky gel side against your teeth. Line them up with edge of gum line and apply gentle pressure to mold the strip securely to your teeth. And then the last step is to smile bright. Product is designed to be used for 60 minutes. Leave in place for at least 30 minutes for easier removal. For optimal experience, leave in place for 60 minutes. And this product only has 10 ingredients, which I think is pretty awesome for a whitening strip. So I'm going to unpackage this now. I'm going to open it. Okay, and it does come with the whitening strips. As it states, these are the whitening strips. At the bottom, it says Express and Professional, which that is pretty cool that it gives 2 options of the type of teeth whitening you want to do. If you don't know, I compete in beauty pageants, so teeth whitening is very important to me and something that I really care about. So I felt like investing in teeth whitening strips will really help me to maintain having nice colored teeth. Now, I haven't whitened my teeth in a while because I haven't competed in a few months. So some work is needed, even though the camera is absolutely giving me a nice shot, which is making my teeth look a lot whiter than they are. And this is the teeth whitening strip guide that comes with it. So what I'm going to do first is grab a mirror, got a little mini mirror from my beauty supply store. So I'm going to use this strip to color match my teeth. This is the darkest color shade, so clearly I'm not there. Think I'm more between these two, which is 7-6. We're color matching my teeth, and I found out that I'm between 7 and 6. probably a little closer to 6. So let's see how much we can move up. If I'm at 6, and let's see if I can move up to a 5 or 4 with one session. I'll be honest, I'm a little confused on why professional is a shorter time than express. We're going to try the professional one and see what that does. I'm gonna open this up. This is how it looks. I'm gonna take off one strip using that same mirror. And I'm going to, okay. Then push it upward. Simple. And it goes a little far back too, which is awesome. And my voice is already starting to change a little bit because my teeth is covered. But we had the first strip on. Now we're going to do the second half. I'm gonna push down. Urgh. I feel like Natalie Nunn. All right, so the strips are on. It's a little hard to talk. I'm going to just not talk that much for the next 30 minutes. Actually, I'm going to do 45 minutes because that's what it says on here. 45 minutes. Hey Alexa, please set a timer for 45 minutes.
45-minute timer started.
Okay, so I'll check back in 45 minutes. Bye. Okay, so it's been 45 minutes to the T. I just told Alexa to stop. Now we're gonna peel it off. Super easy. Super easy to remove. Let's check out where I am on the whitening strip guide. I still feel it on my teeth. So this is the guide. No longer at 6 or 7. Closer to 5 or 4. All right, let's see. 4 versus 5 versus 3. And you know, just to be generous, I think I'm at a 4. 4 and 3 now. I was able to move up a full shade or 2 within one session. And that's wonderful. Honestly, I've never worn these. So that's pretty awesome. And I mean, for it to claim to brighten your teeth, a gradual teeth whitening with each use, you know, it has done that. That's awesome. That's incredible. All right. So we've tested out the product. Now let's jump into final thoughts. So ultimately, I think this product works, which is awesome, incredible. It's incredibly cheap, so that's a pro. Pros are the price, only $10, a little less than $10 actually, and you can brighten your teeth. I think that's incredible, and I highly recommend simply because of that. Shipping was fast. Got it with Amazon Prime, so got it in less than a day. I did the overnight shipping. Application process was super simple, not messy at all, easy to wear. I was walking around my house cleaning, drinking a water from a straw, working because I work remote, and I was able to brighten my teeth without any issues. Cons? Honestly, there is no cons. It's super simple. It's super straightforward. It's super easy. And you guys know, whenever I do a Queenie product review, I give a con, but I simply don't have a con. And this video is not sponsored. I quite literally purchased this with my own money. But yeah, I never give no cons, but I just don't see any cons with this item, which is wonderful. So with that being said, this product gets Queenie approved. Yes, I would highly recommend if you want a low cost, extremely low cost teeth whitening option. Thank you guys all so much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel for more content. Bye.